Want to unlock Canva Pro and get access to all the premium features, but don't know how to get the subscription? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the complete process, step by step. So, let's get started. Once you open Canva, you'll see this interface. Now, click right here on Start Your Trial. When the plan details appear, you can choose the plan that suits you best, such as Canva Pro or Canva Business. And right now, both plans offer a 7-day free trial. Let's choose Canva Business and click right here on 7 days free trial. On the next page, you'll have the option to choose between a monthly or yearly plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs and click Next. On the following page, enter your payment card details and click Get Your Free Trial. And that's it. Your Canva Business free trial is now activated.